Hey, I want to wish a happy birthday to Dr. Jessica Emery and her content creation workshop and club. I've been a member of it since the inception about a year ago, and for someone such as myself who is not particularly social media savvy, I can outsource all this to one of my team members who posts the content every single day. It comes in once a month. I just give it to her. She takes care of it. Patients love it. We get a lot of positive feedback. To anyone considering using Dr. Emery, I think it'd be a sure win for you in your practice. She's fantastic. Her content is very creative and inspiring. And hope to see you join the club soon. So again, congratulations, Dr. Emery. It's been 1 year. It seems to have just flown by. Can't wait till the next year comes. Thanks again to all of us, and good luck to those of you who are considering using Jessica and her services. You won't regret it.